She had been operated for the breast cancer, but ma'am was telling Ashima, they didn't go in for the chemotherapy sessions. That was this thing.
Reduction.
Saroja ma'am. Shabana ma'am. Oh.
Something they do there. Free कर लेते हैं. दवाई सब free. Medication free, doctor को सब free.
Okay. Hey, light is not there, yeah.
So good morning, everybody. As you know, today is our art and craft class. And remember what I told you before you leave. Please clear the stuff around you. And when you are sitting, have the newspaper spread out as much as your work area. And please sit. फैल के बैठ जाइए. Not an issue, क्योंकि एक दूसरे के ऊपर कपड़ा नहीं होना है. As colors and all that. That's one thing. And yes, before I forget, Vanessa madam, this is a nature box. Today they are going to contribute natural things into it. डालिए नहीं, announcement होना है. So please pick up your nature stuff. जी आइए एक एक अपना निकालिए and tell me what you are going to contribute for the nature. Sir, I need a focus here.
These are green chilies, a part of nature, very important.
Okay. Sit down. Okay, now Vandana madam has brought 3 chilies as part of the nature. Okay, this is a natural object. She didn't pay for it. Okay, so it's natural. She's not paid for it. So good. Okay, who else? Next. Let's go line wise because I don't want to miss anybody. There's a sorry here, right? So you're going to scrounge around. You're going to go down also during break time. Abhi nahi. Go down and check anything natural. You can pick it up, bring it. ठीक है आपका? Any natural thing? You were not present yesterday. अब चोरी पकड़े गए. Minus marks. Sudha, you were not present yesterday. I need you to bring anything natural from around you, as long as it doesn't cost you money. Paromita?
I got this. Mud. I got this.
What is that?
Free of cost. Mud.
That's mud.
From the flower pot.
Somebody else's property.
Okay, so she got a clump of mud from the flower pot. That's again natural. So that goes into the nature box. Next contribution, Titashi. You didn't bring. So take, during the break time, look around. Whatever you can, bring something natural and put it inside the box.
I got water. It's a natural thing.
Have you paid for it? Tanker का cost लगा नहीं, electricity का cost नहीं लगा. And Bangalore we know is short of lakes. Okay, thank you. So that's one nature material. Water, though not free, we are going to conserve this water and put it for the flower pots. Next.
I get this flower, rose flower, from nature.
From where is it from? Your own garden? Okay, so Padmaja has brought a flower, rose flower from her own garden. Thank you, Padma. So we put that into the nature box. Next.
This is a mango seed. It's a twin seed. It is twin seed. It looks like heart. Yeah. The mango was like a heart, twin mango. Yeah, but I colored.
Okay. If you can see here, this is a twin joint mango seed. She's colored it. It's in a heart shape and it's very beautiful. Thank you, Mithila. The best till date. It goes into the nature box. Thank you for your contribution.
Sand and flower.
She's brought two. Bataiye.
Sand and flower.
Okay. How is it natural?
She is a natural animal. It is.
Okay. That one.
This is also natural.
What kind of flower is that? Was it flower? So beautiful. Was it flower?
No, I don't know.
Okay. We'll do one thing. The sand or the mud we are going to contribute into the nature box. Wait. This one. And the flower, we give it to Uneza ma'am. Okay, so we give a natural thing, so we are happy for that. Ji. Supriya.
This contribution from my side.
Oh, that's a contribution from her side to the nature box.
Leaf.
That's a leaf.
This one. This one. The flower leaf. I don't know which flower.
Okay, so she's brought a flower leaf. That's her contribution to the nature box.
No, I'll do it in break time.
She'll bring it in the break time. So, half of the action break ke baad. Alright, let's have something different from what is here. ठीक है? Alright, so let's continue with our class. Dhanashri? Okay. Thank you.
Different problems. Back support. Okay. So good morning to all of you once again. And we've got very little left in our art and craft class. So I hope all your bowls are ready with water. Yeah? Okay. So get ready with your paints and paint brushes also. So we'll start with color wheel now. In color wheel, basically we have primary colors, secondary colors and tertiary colors. So can you quickly tell me what are primary colors? Red, blue, yellow. So have you got your compass with you? Yeah. Let's draw a circle. From the center point, keep this as your center. These are the natural colors which you find in nature. So here we have red, yellow and blue. So you'll be drawing a circle like this and you'll be painting red here, yellow here and blue over here. These are the primary colors, red, yellow and blue. You need not write, you paint. Just for your reference, for you all to paint, I wrote those colors there. Okay? This is your rough copy. For your record, very neatly you can do and you can paste. Okay? Yellow. Is that yellow? There are two shades of yellow. Just have a look which yellow, which one is the... Can you show both the yellows to me? This is lemon yellow and that one? It's just a yellow thing? Chrome yellow, medium yellow. Okay.
Is this okay?
Try it with this, no? There's a sort of orange mixed yellow, no? So use that yellow. Though it is your rough, would like to see a neat presentation. Though it's your rough copy, a lot of patience, very neatly to be done. Okay. Yeah, yeah. No, not accepted. Would like to see your primary colors. Yeah, not the chrome yellow, lemon yellow. Very good. See, there's already one primary color ready there. Very less red you're using. The white thing is same. That's orange. That's orange. That's red.
ಸರ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
If you use too much of water, your color becomes light and your white paper is visible when you paint. So don't use too much water when you're painting. Your blue is coming on red. You use too much water, that's why it's coming off this side. Just take the shades of blue you're having and then use the lighter blue. If it's just that blue, then use that one. I think
This is blue, this is violet.
ultramarine blue. What's that? Royal blue is the Prussian blue. The blue which is lighter? Yeah, you can use that one. What is the name of that blue?
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, I think. This is the lighter one, is it?
Yeah, that
This-
is purple actually.
Good. Done? That's the only blue you're having? Or you have a lighter one? I think you're using that, that's a royal blue, ink blue I think. The other one is ultramarine blue, is it? Lighter one? Is it the light blue? Just try out, if that is light you can use this one. No? The blue which is light, you use the light blue there. Yeah, good. So this forms your primary color. That's darker? Oh. It's okay, you finish off with that now. So for your final copy, I would prefer this blue if I could see. Can I just show your blue too? For your primary blue, we would like to see this blue. I think when your blue is fine. Yes, yes. There are some sets which are having those dark blue. They don't.
So that we can use a little white.
No mixing here. Primary color, the only light blue you're using. Because that blue will give you a different shade. When you mix white, it will give you a different shade. We finished with primary colors. the three colors what you used, those three colors only will be in outside, others you will not be using. I know you have a variety of colors, but we'll be mixing primary colors to get secondary now. Okay? Yes, ma'am. These are the secondary colors. When you mix, you get a new shade there. Red and yellow, you get orange. Yellow and blue when you mix, you get purple. Sorry, green. Yellow and blue when you mix, you get green. Red and blue when you mix, you get purple. So orange, green and purple are your secondary colors. You get your secondary colors by mixing your primary colors. So you will not take out orange color bottle from your paint. You will be using only your primary colors, mixing them and getting secondary colors. Okay. So you can keep all your paints aside, having only three colors which you use for primary in front. So what you will do, you will first paint your primary shades here, then you will show your secondary shades. Separately. This is only the primary color. So now we will be showing secondary colors. So how we get secondary colors? We get secondary colors by mixing primary. So what you will do, again you will be drawing a figure like this, wherein you will first paint the primary colors, and then by mixing these colors, you will get your new secondary colors there. Pardon? Let it be concentric. No, I have just drawn it like that. The proper concentric circle. You just do it roughly. No, that's fine. Distance should be equal. No problem if the circle is... You can make a smaller circle because already you have made a bigger this thing. Huh? So like that you can show. Ma'am, if you could show your this thing. Your second figure can be like this. For your primary you can have a smaller circle because here we are showing the secondary shades. So for secondary shades we can have a bigger space here. It looks like that ink blue, right? Use a lighter blue for your final record. This color is perfect. Yellow. Yeah, you have to mix the paint in your plate and bring that orange color there. Red and yellow. First you should have put yellow there, no? Then you should have put red, because red is a darker color there. So always when you're mixing, first put lighter colors on your plate and then mix it with the darker shades.
When I mix blue and red, it becomes brown.
Sort of purple, you get purple. Why it's turning out brown? Because either your blue color quantity is more or your red color quantity is more. Yes, red and yellow would be orange. Perfect. This orange is fine. Be very careful. When you mix orange and red, you get another color. And when you mix orange and yellow, you get another color. So when you're showing your secondary, be very careful while painting that. Use less blue and red. Yeah. Then you'll get your shade. Mix it properly, no? Mix it properly. Just put a small this thing on your paper there. No. This kind of orange. More, a little bit of yellow. Yeah, that orange is fine, but still sort of mixing to be done properly, because I can make out your red and yellow shades there. Okay, so when you mix red and yellow properly, you get a proper bright orange which she has got. Actually, obviously she's put more of water, so again her orange color is changed. You get that bright orange when you mix red and yellow. Purple will come. You will not get the exact purple shade, but you will get. It will be a slight of darker purple or the lighter one. Try out? No. There's something which is... try out by adding red. Yes, that orange is fine. Orange is not coming out well there. The red and yellow orange has not come out like orange shade. Yeah. You will not get the exact light purple. That's orange is fine. This orange is fine. Did you add a bit more red?
Yeah, I added, but this blue is not good.
Blue is good, but it's not coming. It's not the right blue. That's become yellow orange.
Little bit red.
You'll get green by mixing blue and yellow. You've got the perfect green. I think it's too dark. Yeah. I think you've taken too much of blue there. That purple has come out very well. Try out with that. Yeah. Which purple did you show me then? Yeah, this purple is fine. This purple is fine. The one she has got. See that? She's got the perfect purple there.
Water mixing, it's coming now.
No, I think you still need to make it light. Yeah. That's all brown.
Ma'am, this one, ma'am?
No, little dark red.
This purple is coming out. This is showing out.
Yeah, like very light.
Very light. Very nice. Yeah, purple is fine now. It's too dark. The purple is quite dark. The blue which your paint box is containing, I think because of that it is changing the color. The lighter blue shade which you get in paint, with that if you mix you get that purple shade. The kind of blue purple what she has got, it's quite fine. Yeah, this green is fine. Enough. Let's put
ज़्यादा
it.
water डालना है, तभी वो purple आएगा।
Yes.
वो अच्छा है। यहाँ बहुत पानी डाल दिया मैंने, तभी वो बराबर आ रहा है।
Yeah, that purple is fine. Yeah.
Otherwise वो दूसरा वो अकेला नहीं मिलेगा।
मिलता है. You get. Save your secondary colors because you'll require that for your tertiary. Yes. Orange is not that thing, I think, right? Because it's showing too much of red is showing out over there. Okay? A bright orange what you get, the kind of dress what you're wearing. Pardon? Yes, yes, ma'am, yes. Or the quantity of blue should be a little less to get the exact. Your purple is fine, ma'am. Your purple is okay. So this is your secondary. Very good. What color is this? Which color is this? Pink. Okay. Tertiary. Yes. No. This green is not okay. This looks like a tertiary green.
This is looking good.
This green is fine. That's fine.
Not purple, ma'am.
Either your quantity of red is more or blue is more. So only your color changes.
This blue and this blue. We'll use this blue.
Try it with this blue. Huh?
Blue only, this blue.
Why did you use that blue?
I think more you put the blue, red you put less.
थोड़ा और, you just try. So next we have our tertiary colors, wherein you will be mixing your primary and secondary to get your tertiary colors. So just have a look here. You have your red, yellow, blue as your primary. When you mix red and yellow, you get orange. Yellow and blue, you get green. Red and blue, you get purple. Now you have to start with the tertiary colors, wherein you will be mixing your primary and secondary. So when you mix primary and secondary here, red and purple, it's red purple, purple and blue, it is blue purple, blue and green, this will be yellow and green, this will be yellow and orange, this will be red and orange. So I leave an option to you, either you go in this pattern or this way. It's the same thing. I leave it to you. You can either go in for this pattern or this pattern. So again over here we'll have yellow and orange. It will be red and orange. This will be red and purple. This will be blue purple. This will be blue green. This will be yellow green. So I leave an option to you for tertiary. Okay? You can go in for this color wheel or that color wheel. Whichever you feel is easy. It's the same thing, you need to mix primary and secondary to get your tertiary. But usually we just teach these two for the little ones, primary and tertiary. We don't go in for primary and secondary, we don't go in for tertiary. In later stages we start off with tertiary. But the child experiments and he comes up with all the new colors there. This some... There's some color which has gone more in this. That is the only reason it's showing you that proper brown.
For that also I mixed blue. Again I mixed red color.
I thought this is
This also water.
I have red.
Then we have to take red more, blue little
Red
more.
more, yeah. That's
It's coming brown only.
Why is your purple not coming out? She got a very good purple. Which blue did she use? Who was that?
Hers also nice. I was telling her this one. I think that one is so.
But is that is quite dark, no? Which blue did? Your purple is fine, no? It's coming out. That one, the first purple, in your paper, on your paper, yes, that purple is fine.
But I went already.
That purple is fine.
What I do now?
You have another paintbrush? Can you just put one small drop of white? And just see. Just we can. Not more, not more. Just wait. You totally get a different color when you mix all that. This is okay? Still it is brown. Why is your purple not coming?
Then you change the colors. Mixing colors.
That is a standard secondary color, no? We cannot do any change there.
How is that purple is coming?
Okay, mixing.
She used dark color.
Dark color.
Dark blue?
That's what she came.
Okay.
She got that purple one. Shall we use this color? Mama?
Try.
Again we try.
Experiment.
Yeah.
The child loves to experiment. That is what we will do. It's going to give you a different color now.
White we mixed, you know.
Totally different color. Wait, we'll see. Because we've already mixed, we are getting a smoky color. You mix only that with red and try. See, it's giving you a proper brown now. You can use for the branch of for the trunk of a tree. It's coming up. See, it's coming up with a proper brownish shade. This tertiary, you can use this for the tertiary. You mixed red?
Little I mixed.
Little bit more. Yes. I hope you all have saved your secondary shades. It will be easier for you to mix for the tertiary.
Green yellow, it will become parrot green.
Green, blue, you'll get sort of that peacock green.
Peacock
Green and blue. The darker green shade. Yeah. Mix primary and secondary. Mix this and this. That's what I've shown it clearly here for you all. This purple is very nice. Whose is this?
My purple shoes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I can just pass the purple. I think even someone did a purple there, that also came out very well. They showed me. I think her purple. The orange. What's your name? Yeah, Chaitra. Yeah, the same purple even she's having. Yeah, this purple. Even your purple is fine. Yeah. Too much of water wet. I wanted them to mix only with primary shades. They have ready-made secondary colors they can easily use. In those 6 colors you get the primary and secondary. Tertiary you get in these 12. So they don't want to mix, they just want to apply with the primary and secondary there.
Green blue I'm having. This green blue, ma'am.
Perfect. This green is coming out very well.
It's okay, whatever. The her blue only, ma'am, that one.
Only I added my yellow. Ma'am, I'm not getting this purple, ma'am.
So you share her purple. You take her purple. Yes.
That purple is not there.
There's a slight difference you can show. Okay? If it's the same thing, you add up some more secondary or primary shade to change the color there.
Dark, that is white.
Huh? Yes, yes. Yeah. Purple and red. It will be red purple.
Orange color.
I'll come. Can you just apply on paper and show me?
This is the purple color.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm.
Blue hai, whichever colors.
Yes. This is
Green and
blue and green. Purple and blue. Yes, yes.
but here you can't make it.
This is fine. Here I think you should still show a bit of difference. It is showing out, but little more if you could. Are we done with tertiary now? No?
मुझे मेरा बैलेट दे दो मेरा बैलेट
What size sheet? Scissor also. A4 size sheet. Yes, this is fine. Scissor also. Scissor. Which is orange?
This dress is with orange.
purple blue will become black, right?
Slight difference, don't show much difference, that's fine.
You give me your blue.
You'll not have a major difference when you're mixing primary and secondary. You get a sort of similar shade, but it will show. Yes, yes.
Purple blue became grey color.
It's not grey, a different shade of purple and blue you forgot. Orange and red. Orange and red.
Orange and red, cream color. Skin color will come.
Sort of.
Skin color.
Skin color, she's saying. The orange becomes lighter there. That's what she's saying.
The pattern will be white only. We will mix all the colors.
Leave it white.
Then the star green will be good. Fair copy. That it only look good. Acha, that one. Yeah, green.
How are the tertiary colors coming out? There's not very much difference. So you need to still mix properly to get a different color here. Orange and red, you get a different shade. It's not the right shade which you're getting. You need to see. It's almost similar, no? Little bit more difference you get when you mix. Because of that. Yes, that's fine. The difference has to show for the tertiary. Anything can come, Lee. A different shade you will get when you mix. So either your secondary colors quantity is more or your primary colors quantity is more, wherein you're not getting the right shade. Red and orange. Yes, you get a very bright orange when you mix red and orange. This should not be like this secondary orange. When you're doing for the tertiary, this should not be like the secondary orange. You get a difference between that secondary orange. You get an orange shade, but not the secondary orange shade. Yes. Green and yellow is fine. Only this part. Otherwise, all the shades are perfect. Yes. Yes. If you're done with it, you can keep your paints away. You can wash and keep aside, and then we'll start off with the next activity. Getting confused with the color wheel? Show me your paper, I'll show it to you. Yeah. These are the primary colors, red, yellow, blue. When you mix red and yellow, you get orange. Yellow, blue, you get green. Red and blue, you get purple. Tertiary colors is the mixing of primary and secondary. Yellow, green, you get this color. Yellow, orange, you get this color. Red, orange, you get this color. Red, purple, you get this color. Blue, purple, you get here, and blue, green, you get here. That's it. For the tertiary, you remember you will be mixing secondary and primary. Perfect. Except that. Otherwise all has come fine. Yes, except that. All fine? Your mixing is not done properly here. So you mix your paint properly to get the right shade. Okay?
Three colors are
Oh my god. He has still not gone to the... It's so much of patience. Are you planning to keep this as your final copy?
Yeah. No, not final. It's well done. I will take final.
Okay. Because we'll be starting with the next activity now. Everybody's finishing.
What you want? No, I was sick.
You can give your main heading as a color theory. So have it as primary colors, then secondary colors, and then tertiary colors. So where you have your tertiary color, that will become your color wheel, where you have all the three there.
We have to write
In tertiary, you're showing the mix of primary and secondary, right?
color theme.
Color theory.
And we also have to give a demarcation, like we did for painting, demarcation page. That will
We can say overlapping of colors, okay? Because there's one more activity in this subheading only, where we will not use paints. Instead, we'll use crayons or color pencils to do the overlapping here. Overlapping of colors. So your demarcating sheet will be overlapping of colors. So you will start off with primary color. When you are showing your primary color, you will write primary color here and mention the primary colors here, red, blue, green. Or wherever here, blue, red, green, you can show it. Same thing coming over here. Here you will show red plus blue, purple. Blue plus yellow, green, you will write and show it over here. Okay? Tertiary color in the same way, you will write the colors here. So it's, you can write it down. I'll just leave it to you how you want to show it. The combinations by mixing which color you got which color you will be showing in secondary. Method not required for this. Methods not required for this. Okay? Pardon? No, not required. On the same page, on the same page.
For tertiary, we will write color wheel.
Yeah, color wheel, because that's a whole thing you're showing there, no? So your heading can be color wheel, and when you're showing your this thing, so you can say, so the tertiary colors, you can show here. So you will say red plus purple, red, purple.
Left side in paper, we can write, right? You can write.
You can write on the left side if you are intend to. For the tertiary shades, do not write red plus purple. You draw a box here and show that red purple shade here. For the others, you write the colors. Here, you can show the red purple mix. Okay. So your creativity, you can use red color sketch and purple color sketch to write red in red color sketch, purple in purple color sketch, and show that in the box you can show the mix of those two colors. It looks good.
This color's over right now.
Paints can go inside. Yes, these are activities. Can we go ahead with the next activity? If all your paints are kept aside, you can take your A4 size sheet now. KG cardboard later, after this. Your A4 size sheet, your plain sheets. Just one sheet right now. Yes. And this orange, secondary orange, it can be a better orange. It can be this orange. Here, your oranges come out well, but your yellow is seen. To mix it so well that red and yellow should not be seen, you should get a new color there. So what we will do in our next thing is, here we will be overlapping colors with the help of color pencils or crayons. Okay? So what we will do is right now, you can take any geometrical shape, you will be overlapping the shapes now. You can draw a box, a square. Easiest thing is if you have your bangles at present, start overlapping your bangles. I'll just show you what I'm actually trying to tell you here. You will be showing two overlapping figures, diagrams, wherein in one overlapping you will be showing all the primary, in another one you will be showing all the secondary. Tertiary will not do for the overlapping. Because usually in crayons and pencils we do not get the exact tertiary shades. Right now, just for your rough copy, overlapping of circles here. Any geometrical shape. And you will be filling this with only primary colors. So if you've got your color pencils or crayons, you can just give your heading as overlapping of colors again over there and just use only primary colors to show your overlapping shades there. No. It's okay. Yeah. Just a few. Do not fill up your page because we need to go to the next activity. Half a day class if you remember today. So if you want to finish, we can just go in for a small... So it can be any geometrical shape which you can show for overlapping. Okay? No. Block. Can you see it's overlapping? So you have your borders everywhere. Okay, so those, yes, only so much. Then again you have a small this thing there. Yeah.
Red complete.
Huh.
And green complete.
Yeah.
This one only. Here.
On this one. Red. Another small patch you have yellow. Yeah. It's a mix. So it's wherever you want you can see. But see to it, red and red don't come next to each other. Blue and blue don't come next to each other. Just primary colors, just with 3 colors you fill up. Yeah, any geometrical shape, overlapping of any geometrical shape. So here you will show one overlapping of figures with primary colors, another overlapping of figures with secondary colors. That's it.
Here red, green.
Did you understand? Okay, now start coloring. How will you color now?
Here three subjects are there. Here green, here red, and then yellow. Here second two both are
You're not getting. Okay, wait. As I told you, you'll be using only your primary colors now. So which are your primary colors? Red, blue and yellow. Okay. How many ever? Just have a look, see what I'm trying to show you here. This gap. You can fill it with one primary color. Can you see this gap here? Another primary color. I will not, because I've colored red here, I will not put red here. I'll use any, it's my choice now. Either blue or, again I have a small gap here. I use another color there. Got it? Yeah. One with primary color, the other one with secondary colors. That's it. Right now you can just show primary. Secondary you can get back home. Secondary colors are your orange, purple and green. Not fully. You've colored the whole circle. No. I think you didn't get what I showed you. I'll do a bigger one for you.
Just you draw 3 circles only, ma'am. Then we'll understand.
These are your overlapping. This is one color. This will be one color. This will be one. This will be another. I'll show you with my coloring technique so that you'll understand. This will be another one. Yeah. Overlapping of colors. Yeah, only with primary color, then another with secondary colors. That's it.
Ma'am, it's like this, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, where is overlapping, ma'am?
Huh?
Both colors are not overlapping, right?
Red and blue. Here we need to get orange, right? Yes.
On this one also, I need 2 colors.
Wait. Good. Pointless. She got the right point here. Supposing you did red here and blue, mixing we get purple. That's fine. That's a good so you can mix your colors with your crayons. Pardon? I'll just re-explain it to you.
Ma'am, this one only primary color we put na, in a one sheet.
Here, since 1 minute. This is your red. Right. Yes. Mix, yeah, you color the whole circle. So automatically you'll get a new color there. That's right. Yeah, color the whole circle and then you get new colors coming out there.
Is this okay, ma'am? We can do like that also, no primary color.
Yeah, but
Different shade should be changed here, not with matte.
this also nice. Come up with your creativity. You can just show one side. Just show in that only. We'll show it to everyone. This one. There are different ways of doing this. You can use all the cool colors or you can use all the warm colors also. It's not coming out. So use your crayons then. Crayons will be better. With crayons, when you mix, you get the...
See here, green color, here orange color.
It's come out. Good. I think for overlapping of colors, if you use crayons, then it will show you a good mixture of colors there. Than color pencils, crayons are a good idea. Paints? Yes, you can. To make it easy, I just said that. You can go ahead, you can show your overlapping even with your paints. So I leave it to you. You can either use crayons or paints. 3 basic colors. You can go in for your secondary also.
Ma'am, we can do only one thing is enough. Do complete page like this.
Yes. So have your border and fill it up with, see how she has done. She's overlapped all the different, she's used only triangles here. She's overlapped, I said no, you can overlap any geometrical shapes and then do your coloring. So she's doing the first method what I told. So this is also fine. Okay? Your method is also fine. Or she's also doing the same thing what she's doing. It looks out very different and nice.
But here
This is
no overlapping of colors, right? No overlapping of colors.
overlapping of shapes we are having, wherein we are we have already shown the mix of these colors, blue and yellow, what you get. Okay? So it is not necessary. That is also fine. Like that also. Just show yours. Just show yours. I'll show. See? The method what I showed initially, that has also come out very well. You can go ahead in this. This is the right thing. Her, what she said also is right. Okay? But I feel this looks neat and nice when you, instead of mixing two colors, just, very, so show it with only primary colors. And as I said, the first method, block different colors. This will be right. So one overlapping of shapes with primary, one overlapping of shapes with secondary. That will be enough. So here,
Okay, ma'am.
that is what, you have to show your border neatly.
With this we can make any
Just pass
animal,
on, let them have a look.
any animal we can do, right? Will come, ma'am. We can make borders with sketch pen.
Yeah. You can. But if you make borders with sketch pen, you cannot use paints. It will spoil your whole picture. So you can, if you are doing it in that method, what she has done, you can use borders with sketch pen. It will come out well. Only the secondary colors.
Yeah, only here, only here, not here.
Secondary colors. She's just seen to it where the same color is not on the same, next to each other. That's what she's done. That is how it's come out very well there. Yeah, secondary colors. What I did the first method, red color here, this patch blue, this patch yellow, again this patch red, this patch yellow, or this patch, where the colors are not, red and red should not be here, red and red should not be here. Red can be here. Got it? You just see what she has done.
Ma'am, for secondary we have to use orange crayon and green crayon, right?
Orange, green and one more,
Purple color.
purple. It is not coming out neatly. It is not showing out well. So that method is good. That method is good. If you want to show the overlapping of colors in that way, use your paint. Then you will get the difference. In crayons and color pencils, it's very difficult. So this method is very nice. What I initially said, you can go ahead with that. That's easier.
Ma'am, this is good, right, ma'am? Like this complete paper have to be.
Yes. So you go in with that method. Don't go in for this method. This is not showing.
One only, right? This one, ma'am.
Do not bring out secondary, no?
Yeah,
Show only primary, then show only secondary. Yeah. Can I have, can I know your name? Sandhya. Sandhya's paper? Pardon? Yeah, we'll move on to the next activity. 2 more activities left. That's it. Finish. Clay modeling will take some time. Otherwise, like this. See here? She's just used only 3 colors. Red, blue and yellow. Just she's seen to it, red and red is not here. Yellow and yellow is not here. Okay? This is what I wanted. Have you all got an idea of how to go about with your overlapping of shapes here? Okay? Can we go ahead with the next activity? If you remember,
red and yellow, orange.
use only 3 primary. Don't go in for this.
3 secondary, 1 paper.
This is for primary. In where you have used orange, no, you use blue there. Okay? Follow, just have a look at this, what she has done. She's getting confused. आएगा आएगा
चेंज करके करो यहाँ पर ये येलो डालो यहाँ पर ब्लू डालो फिर यहाँ पर दोबारा ये डालो
You cover up this flower, then they'll understand. Okay? So have we understood with this much? Can we go ahead with the next one? If you remember last time I told we will make a 3D house. Yeah. So you have your kg cardboards with you. If you could cut a proper square, maybe 20 by 20. Oh, painting activity is over. 20 by 20, a proper square. Then also you want to use paint. So using your kg cardboards, cut a square 20 centimeters on all four sides.
Yeah, otherwise we can use A4 ma'am.
Enough. Make a square in that. Cut a square. If you cannot make 20 by 20, 15 by 15 at least. I think 20 by 20 you can easily make a square in that. You can keep all your painting things aside. We do not require any more paint now. This is perfectly done. Your tertiary is coming out. Come out here. Whose is this one? Achha, wait. Here there's another one. Right? Okay. That's hers. Are your squares ready now? Overlapping of colors, demarcation of overlapping of colors. Then you will have your primary colors, secondary, tertiary, and this overlapping of colors, these shapes. One for secondary, that's it. So you can use different geometrical shapes to overlap. Only secondary. Only secondary, yeah. Dynansa. There is one house there. Over there. Above. Are the squares ready? Can we start? Okay, she's still cutting.
We can use any other color also, right?
Finish this and then you decide whether you want to use other colors or not. Don't start. Okay, come here. You take this. Give this to her. It's okay, it's okay. Afra, keep all your paints aside. Afra, paints aside. We'll do with this now. Okay? Can we start? You also. Come on, take out your square. Yes. So what we will do now is, our first step, we will fold our square into half. Fold it into half. Not like that. Not like that. Have your paper like this. Then like this. Yes. Keep it down and do. Okay? Pardon? Paint. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Pardon? You first finish this, then I'll tell you. It's a model, it's a presentation which you'll be showing. Okay, now, open it. Again, another half the other side. So we get 4 squares when you open. So you got 4 squares here, right? Okay, now what we will do is this part to the center line here. You have your center line here, right? So this one over here, same thing the other side. Kind of. Okay? So are we ready with so much? Okay. Now open it. We will do the same thing this side now. This part to the center, again this part to the center. So open it, again the other side.
Both sides, back side.
No,
No, same side but both sided.
this side. Here. So how many squares can we see here? 16. Good. Okay, so now what we will do, using your scissors, just see carefully. Can you see this line here? Yeah. and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 squares here. So what I will do now is, we can see those crease, right? So I'll cut only till this line. See what I did now. I just cut till the crease. Okay. You see what we'll do now. Okay? Go back. So we will do the same thing this side also. Just the opposite side where we cut. So the center portion is as it is. We are not touching the center portion now. Now, are we all ready with this much? Our next step. Can you see the center two squares here? Using your Fevicol, you will stick this. Leave the side squares, the center square. Using the Fevicol, you will paste the center square. Yeah, only the center square. Yeah. 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 Don't use stapler. I'm using. What you should do now after cutting this, can you see this? You will take it like this and stick. Okay? Here also, take only the center square here and stick like this. Do so much and come. Stick this two. This two. Both the sides, both the sides. So you get your roof. Stick it. Come here. Sit. Sit, 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 sit. There, your house is ready. Okay? Then what we will do, the leftover pieces, the square what we have, we'll join them also. So there your house becomes, yeah. So there your house is ready. Very simple, very easy. Projects and all, you can make very small and cute houses with these, in this method. You join these flaps. You did this much? Can you see this flap here? What we will do, we will join these two. Yeah, above that, above that. So here it becomes the side wall. Here you can paste it fully. This whole thing. So I said white.
You can decorate.
Yes. I'll tell you. I'll give you some ideas how you can decorate. Your house is ready. So what you can do, lot of pasting activities what we have done. So this was one. Okay. So using broomstick, the roof is made. You can use your matchsticks. You can even use those thermocol balls,
And
ice cream sticks also. Lot of pasting activities we have done. So you can use any object to just decorate your house. This is again your presentation, a miniature in your record. Okay.
what many record it is draw.
Draw.
Because it is not possible.
Color it. I leave it to you to paint it or pasting, whatever how you want to show your house. That way.
Miniatures, making a 3D model is very difficult on 2D surface. So can we take a picture, photo, and
Draw.
we would be drawing the steps actually before, no?
Yeah. Like how you showed for origami, the same thing. You can show the steps for this.
For that flower also we need to make an instruction.
Yes. Pardon? Stone. It's looking good.
Ma'am, only one door enough, right? And back side.
Yeah, it's up to you how many doors you want to have. Back door, front door. Yes. Leave it to you.
Oh, yeah.
How you want to.
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem.
वैसे भी गरीबों के पास कुछ होता नहीं
Ah,
है लेकर चले जाते हैं लड़की नहीं देखा जाता
okay. The last activity for your art and craft. There's a lot of imagination you need to use now. If your houses are ready, your decoration, everything can be done later. Leave it to you for your pasting and how you want to show your houses. Okay? We'll go in for clay modeling. You can keep everything aside, only your clay.
This will be under pasting or origami.
Origami, where the flower has come.
Small clay is the
It comes under origami, it is 3D house.
small is enough, right, ma'am?
So now,
Actually, I'm having two, one big, one small. This is my daughter.
Different color no need white color, right, ma'am?
what?
House no need,
Not required.
anything
You can, I thought you will paint or do something. When you cover it, automatically your color changes.
color change, automatically will change.
I'm having other colors, but white color.
Okay. Can we start with clay modeling now? Very good. Paint your whole house. Go paint your whole house. You draw a door. Okay? Then sticks. You will stick the sticks later.
House.
At home. Okay. Very nice.
Your camel. Camel is nice. Yours also camel.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. A lot of finger exercises we're going to have now.
Oh, for this activity.
Yeah? Okay. So, basically, to get a good clay model, you need to knead your clay very well so that all the air bubbles what is there is gone, and only then when you're making models those cracks will not appear. So for that you need to wedge your clay, you need to knead your clay, how you do it for your atta, how you knead your atta. You need to wedge your clay so that all the air bubbles which is inside should go. Okay? Any color, leave it to you. Again here, this is just the basic step. Imagination is yours now. I want to see what you can come out with your, with your imagination, what you can make. Huh? Shapes. Don't do shapes. Do something. Fruits, vegetables,
I will make
rose. Yeah, I would like to see all the creativity coming out. This will again be your presentation. Okay? You will not use molds which is there in your you will do it. You need to knead your clay before you bring the proper shape so that those cracks are not there. That's this thing, I think that's a mold. Okay.
noodles will, the kids will play. I think Ganesha. Ganesha, my daughter is also Ganesha. I know Ganesha. No, I do many kinds of Ganesha.
Let's see how many fruits and vegetables I get to see. You've made already? You can start, I'll come.